Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to pull up your digital membership Costco card. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you don't have your physical Costco card. How do you actually go ahead and pull your digital membership out? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, this is going to be assuming that you already have a Costco membership. So go ahead and install the Costco app and go ahead and log in using your Costco membership info. Now, once you have the Costco application opened up, on the bottom hand corner, you're going to see a button that says account. Click on account. And then what you're going to do is that here you see some blurred out information. It's already going to show you your membership card. So all you've got to do is actually go ahead and tap to enlarge it. And this right here just has some blurred out information, but this is going to be your digital membership card that you can use to scan at the gas station, at the entrance, or at the cash register to show them that you are a Costco membership. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and pull up your Costco digital membership card. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.